High in the branches, Daisy sits vigilantly in her nest, a gentle guardian over her precious eggs. Below, Slither lurks with hungry eyes, his sinister presence disrupting the tranquility. Sensing danger, Daisy's resolve hardens as she prepares to defend her precious eggs. She flies swiftly to another branch, her mission clear: to create a diversion. With focused precision, Daisy gathers stones, shaping a convincing decoy nest. Under the cloak of night, Slither ascends the tall tree with calculated steps. He arrives at the decoy nest, his hopes dashed as he realizes these aren't real eggs. Slither's disappointment hangs heavy in the air. A troop of monkeys appears above Slither, filling the air with their wild cries. Slither, startled by the sudden chaos, loses his grip and plummets to the ground. Humiliated, Slither slithers away, defeated by the troop of monkeys. Back in Daisy's real nest, tiny baby doves emerge, chirping and nuzzling against their mother. Daisy watches over them with love and pride, her clever plan having ensured their safe arrival. The monkeys cheer from a nearby branch, celebrating the happy occasion.